Battle and information we haven't heard yet on that Grand Canyon vacation that became a nightmare of abuse for three brothers.
ABC 15's Steve Koosh spoke with the boys' grandmother tonight. She's one of the people fighting to bring them home, and she claims the boys' life will be in danger, Steve, I understand, if they go back to their mom?
Yeah, she says she simply doesn't feel safe leaving her own grandchildren in the care of their mother, Tara Danaher, who we found out today, according to the grandmother, is just not simply responsible enough to take care of these children. But we're also learning these boys are going to be flown back to their home state of Indiana now, where Child Protective Services will be the ones who decide who gets to keep them.
Oh, she is a bad mother. She is. She's a very bad mother.
Pamela Beatty has no kind words for the mother of the three boys police say were physically abused by their grandfather hiking the Grand Canyon. Beatty blames Tara Danaher, the boy's mother, for putting her grandchildren through what she calls hell. Police say Danaher left 12-year-old Kevin, 9-year-old Micah, and 8-year-old Cameron in the hands of their grandfather, Chris Carlson, who beat them, starved them, and nearly worked them to death hiking the Grand Canyon. Beatty says it's just one of many bad decisions Danaher has made raising the boys.
She took and left all 5 other kids in the house by themselves. One of the kids got hurt. My grandson, Kevin, had to call the police. When the ambulance came, they saw that there was no supervision there.
Coming out of a court hearing to decide which parent would get to keep the children, Danaher had nothing to say to us.
I don't want any of that.
Not right now. Thank you.
It's too much going on.
The boy's father, who is not currently with Danaher, told us he wants to bring the kids home with him.
It was a very happy day for me. I got to see my children, and I'm very happy to see them.
Beatty tells me her grandsons are in foster care, recovering from the injuries they received at the Grand Canyon. She says Child Protective Services will inspect both the mother's and father's homes before choosing who gets custody over them. I'm Steve Koosh, ABC 15 News.
Just into the news.